Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, rúnmìlà, the iron moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. Rúnmìlà's debt to the landowner. Prayer. Adifa fun, rúnmìlà, okun rin alabara, loda fun, gbogbo, risa. Ibo, offering. 1 male goat, 1 female goat, 2 hens, all edible foods, and a large sum of money. Story. Rúnmìlà was lost and went to the house of a powerful man to request a large sum of money. The man agreed but required Rúnmìlà to repay through work. He asked Rúnmìlà what he knew how to do, and Rúnmìlà replied that he could do anything, climb trees, and perform whatever tasks were needed. They gave him the money, agreeing that he would return in 8 days. Rúnmìlà returned home and purchased many animals. He offered a male goat to Isu and a female goat to Orun. He fed all the Risa and Osha, and on the 8th day, he went back to the landowner. The landowner handed Rúnmìlà a hoe, and Rúnmìlà asked what it was for. The landowner replied that it was for clearing weeds. Rúnmìlà, who had never done hard labor in his life, was then asked to climb a tree with palm nuts, ikines. Rúnmìlà refused, saying the tree belonged to his guardian Arisa, so he couldn't climb it. The landowner questioned how Rúnmìlà would repay his debt. Rúnmìlà responded, "Listen carefully, your wife is pregnant, and for her to safely deliver the child, an ibo is required. Also, you've lost a horse. Go look for it, and you'll find it." Everything Rúnmìlà predicted came true. The landowner then asked Rúnmìlà for a thorough spiritual cleansing, for which Rúnmìlà charged a significant sum, enough to not only repay his debt, but to leave him with extra money as well.